Hey and welcome to module 3.1, and in this video you're going to discover what this module is about. Now this module of course is called Set Up Your Chatbot for Lead Generation, and it comes with its own module goal. And as you remember, to attain these goals you need to complete each and every action point at the end of this module. And in order to help you with that, we have all these cool little training videos giving you all the information you could possibly need to attain these action points, attain these goals, and by doing so completing the module goal. What is the module goal right now? At the end of this module, you integrated your autoresponder with Clever Messenger, plus you created the lead gen flows that will be responsible for sending email addresses over to your integrated autoresponder via Messenger. Now I can't wait to share all this stuff in this module with you because I think this is one of my favorite modules right here. So what we are going to do in this module, we got 8 videos in total, including the one you're watching now. Obviously, this is the one that is explaining more on what you can expect from this module. In the video hereafter, we are going to talk about a lead magnet. Now, you might already know what a lead magnet is. If so, you can skip this video. If not, and if you simply need a refresher on what a lead magnet is, this video will explain it in short and simple terms of what it entails and how to actually use this in order to generate subscribers. Then the third video in the module is where we are going to integrate a autoresponder. In this example, we are going to use ActiveCampaign, the autoresponder we use. However, if you have an other autoresponder, you can simply integrate that with Clever Messenger as well. Whether that is through any of the native integrations, Zapier, Integromat, or webhooks, we are going to cover everything right here. Integrating your autoresponder, this module will cover the native integration. If you, however, find that your autoresponder is not integrated with Clever Messenger yet, of course, send us a message and we make sure that it gets integrated as soon as possible. But don't let that hold you back. That's why I added other videos right here, which we come down to in just a sec. The fourth video, is about creating the ask for email address flow inside your chatbot. And then in the fifth video, you are going to discover how to create a lead magnet delivery flow that delivers your lead magnet inside Messenger. And then again, the sixth and seventh video, this one and this one, are for the people that don't see their autoresponder natively integrated with Clever Messenger yet. So there's a big chance that you can actually still integrate your autoresponder through Zapier or Integromat, and we are going to show how that setup works in this video. And if for whatever reason you cannot find your autoresponder in our native integrations list or in Zapier or in Integromat, we also have the Webhook Approach. Now, this can seem a little bit daunting at first because Webhook, usually this comes together with code, but I made sure in this video that it's very easy to understand, and it basically all boils down on how to read documentation, API documentation, webhook documentation, and all that stuff. So in this video you will see a quick little overview on the webhooks and webhook card inside the Flow Composer, and then we obviously finalize this module with the roundup and action points again. And in this video is where you will receive the action points you need to complete in order to attain the module goal. With that said, good luck and have a lot of fun watching this module.